welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and I wonder which one that is today. Hey. So today we're doing Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas, which is one of my favorite movies of all time. Nobody asked if it was or not, but I'm letting you know it is. So if you guys want to see how I turn myself into Sally, just keep on watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So the first thing I'm going to do is start painting my face bluish. It makes like turquoise with a lot of white body paint to get this color, and I left out spaces for where I'm going to put the eyes and the space around my mouth. I also made sure to like draw out the neckline for her dress as well, and if you're going to be wearing this out, I would definitely do your arms as well, just so everything's really nice and cohesive. Make sure though when you're using your paints that you put a little bit of water, kind of like play around with that. So I figured the easiest way to do this would be to do the dress first, kind of like just to do the big blocks of color that I was gonna have to do. So I did the different panels of the dress. I already finished doing the face and body paint like color, so I just wanted to kind of do that first because, like I said, it doesn't take a whole lot of time, but it definitely kind of brings it all together, and it makes it a little bit easier when you go in to start doing detail stuff because you can just focus on that at the end. Now, as far as water activated paints, just make sure that, like I said, use a little bit of water, blend it into your paints, and see where you're going, because the more water that you use, the more or less pigmented it's going to be, but you still want to have some water in there so that way when you put the paints on, it blends and slides easily. Then once you have everything for the dress, we're gonna move on to the eyes. Now, I did this in parts, kind of. Basically, I gave myself the shape of my eye first, and then I went in and filled in the rest of the gaps where you see my natural skin with more of that blue body paint. You want to take your time to get the eyes even, just because you don't want one eye to be a lot bigger than the other. You want to make sure that they look even, especially with a more cartoony character like this. Really don't want them to have one eye way bigger than the other one. It looks a little off even for a Tim Burton character. Now for the fun part. The easiest way to make it look like your character is crazy is to have their pupils going in two completely different directions. So what I would do is focus on one spot in your mirror, try to get the eye pupils as even on each side as possible, and start small. That way you can always add a little bit more to the pupil if you need to. But yeah, for that's it. As far as the stitches, pretty self-explanatory. I just outlined everything on the dress and everything like that. For the one panel that had swirls, I just kind of drew them in. Not really following a specific pattern because I tried to and then I got distracted. Which, it's not that hard to distract me, let's be honest. And then the stripes, like I said, are pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure that you get it on the right side, or correct side I should say, and also don't forget the stitching on her actual dress. Each one of the panels is stitched together, so you really don't want to forget that detail. And then for the lips, I just colored them in red. Honestly, the only thing that I would probably change about this part is outlining the lips and a little bit of my nose in black as well, just to kind of keep with the more cartoony theme. But that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had fun turning myself into one of the characters from my favorite movie. So if you guys want to see anything, don't forget to leave it down in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this. Give me a big thumbs up, and like I said, let me know what character you guys want to see next. I am all for this, like, doing things I actually enjoy doing thing. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye!